and welcome back to my channel, and I am so excited you guys are here. If you see my plants behind me, that's because it was watering day today, and I like to let them like air out in the sink, like you little unplug the little plug in the bottom so the water can like really flow through it all. But anyways, I'm so excited you guys are watching this vlog with me. Today we are just going to talk about all the things. I went thrifting the other day and I was just looking for pieces with color and I found some really good stuff. It was really fun, very affordable. I feel like I've been thrifting consistently for the past couple months and I have just scored. If you've been following along with me, you guys know that I have found some fun and very unique pieces, which is what I want to find when I'm thrifting. And so I hope that my thrift haul encourages you to thrift. Okay, so the first thing that I got was this Alfred Dunner blazer slash jacket. It has, I call them Easter colors. I just look at the jacket and it reminds me of Easter eggs. But it's like this pattern on there and it's pink, blue, like this teal green and yellow. I think this would be so cute in the spring, like in March maybe, with a bun and just some cutie pants. It's very feminine, but also like very cottagecore, and I just love it. I just thought it was a super unique piece, and this was $1. So I will take an Alfred Dunner jacket blazer for $1. Excited to style that. If you guys are interested in like seeing me style my thrifted outfits, please let me know in the comments, because that would be such a fun video. I would definitely watch it if like I was watching a YouTuber's video. The next thing that I found was this darling yellow slip dress. This is so like chic and feminine. It reminds me of Belle from Disney's Beauty and the Beast, but it has like this lace little layer right here at the top. Just gives it some cutesy feminine vibes, and then it's like, you know, the satin. I feel like this would be cute if you were just gonna wear it as a slip dress. It would be cute with like layered something or something like that. I don't know, but I just thought it was so cute. Haven't tried it on, but it was like $1, so definitely was gonna pick that up. This next one I'm so excited about because this was $7 and it's very Valentine's Day coded, but it's this super just sweet and adorable, very feminine, I can't say that word, very feminine dress that has like this puffed sleeve, and then it has the cuff at the wrist, which is going to be like very vintage looking, very cottagecore. And then we have like the, I don't know what you call this, but it just looks very vintage. And then at the bottom it has like this little ruffle, but it's longer, so it's so cute. But this was $7 and they had like a little Valentine's Day section, so I definitely went over there because I love pink. If you can't tell, I have pink flowers. I have pink on. I feel like I don't know, I just feel like I'm reverting back to just pops of color because it's fun and you only live once, and so that pop of color just adds so much more like fun, whether it's your home or your outfit. And I feel like that's just the era that I'm in. It's just fun colors, pinks, all the things. But anyways, I just wanted to share my little clothes thrift haul, but I also found this huge round doily, and it's actually already on my table. If you've been following my channel for a hot minute, you know that what used to be here was a like an island slash bar type thing where we had our bar stools sitting here, and it was countertop space, but it was also the table that we would eat at. But the problem that I was running into was I just didn't feel like we could comfortably host people and, like, you know, sit in chairs and it be comfortable rather than just sitting on bar stools. And so Kyle's parents got a new table and chairs, so they graciously gifted us their table and chairs, and so we got our table and dining room chairs for free. But I was thrifting the other day and I found this huge round brown doily for 15 bucks, and that might seem expensive, but for doilies that is not expensive at all, because I've been to the antique markets, I've been I've been to other, you know, markets and everything, and doilies are always super expensive, especially if they're huge. This one is huge. I have a rectangle table, but I have it like kind of like it's circle, the doily is, and it's kind of just like flowing on our table. I don't care if it is round, but I can use this for picnics in the future. When we have babies, we can take our babies with us, and this will be the little, you know, picnic blanket, just to add some cutie, you know, ness to it. But I found this cute little doily, and I'll show you later on like what it looks like in its full beauty and glory. But this is what it looks like up close, and then it has like the scalloped little details on the side. Super cute. I just think it's so like cottagecore and cutesy, and I was really looking for a tablecloth for our table, and then I found this doily when I was thrifting the other day, so it worked out very nicely. I just feel so inspired to make a homemade blueberry coffee syrup. And so the recipe is so easy. I have all of the ingredients, which is so surprising because usually I don't. And so we are going to make a homemade blueberry syrup. I will put the recipe in the description below. I love coffee, but I've been drinking just honey in my coffee the past couple months, probably, yeah, past month or so. And I'm really trying to wean out like all the extra sugars in my life. Like, I just don't want any excess. I kind of am just reverting to just all natural. But I just want to make this blueberry syrup to see how it tastes, to give an honest review. And it's very like spring-esque, and it's still January, but it's getting ready to be February, and I just want to like make a homemade thing from fruit. I just think it sounds so good, and I know it's gonna look so good for my coffee. So yeah, we're gonna make homemade blueberry coffee syrup today. I'm so excited. So grab your little notebook so you can write down this recipe in your notebook, and we're gonna make a coffee syrup together. Grab my little notebook. Okay, so now that I Made my blueberry latte for the day, and I ate lunch and everything. It is so sunny outside. We live in the Midwest. I feel like I say this all the time. Also, if you hear like a little ticking, it's that stinking, our split unit. It literally starts doing that every time I go to like record or talk something, so just disregard it. The sun is out. It's warmer than it has been the past couple weeks, so I'm gonna take Remy on a walk, and I think that I'm gonna go on a run. If you've been following me for a hot minute, I was sharing a little bit of my running journey on here. Have never been a runner, have hated running most of my life. And I've been like doing CrossFit the past 2.5 years. But last year at the end of 2024, I started running and I actually love it. I haven't ran since like probably the 1st of December, just because it's way too cold for me. And so I've just been doing like cardio and strength training in between all that. And so, but I'm like really craving a scrumptious run right now. And so I think I'm gonna go on one after I get back and take Remy on her walk. Do you want to go on a walk? Go see a walk? Rim. You're so lazy. Let's go for a sunny blue sky walk. Even though it's like 45 degrees outside, we are going to soak it up because I'm craving the sun on my skin right now. It actually feels like 60 degrees outside right now. Wow. I'm definitely going on a run. First run in like a month, but we're gonna do it because it's nice outside. This feels so good. Get out in the sun and move your body today. Hi babies. Not running a lot today. Taking it easy on ourselves. We're giving ourselves grace. We're enjoying the run and we're not gonna beat ourselves up. Our pace, about our time, about who's doing better than us. Greatest competition is yourself. Create a healthy relationship with your body. Running, working out, you've got to enjoy it. You've got to love doing it. That comes before the goals. Get too wrapped up in your time and how the way you look, you're not going to want to do it. So just go out there and enjoy it today.